Morning. Hanging out for a minute, just me and old Trooper Dog. Christmas is past and New Year's coming up. And there's no snow on the ground. I'm not a happy camper, but I am happy to be out. For my daughter's birthday, she wanted to go camping. It's a couple weeks early, but I'm not working. Company's closed down between Christmas and New Year's, so well, we better do it early. So here we are. Her best friend is experiencing her first camping trip. So far, I think she liked it. We made one night, kept it warm and cozy in here with the big old stove. So even though it is down into the teens and 20s, the ground is pretty much bare. Give me a second. We'll look out the door. Like, there's nothing. It's just crazy. Got the big boy out because, well, wanted to make it as comfortable for the girls as possible. There's room to play games, and he's been waiting for me to unzip that since they had to run into town real quick for a couple of things that got missed yesterday. So we got some card games, board games, playing having some fun, enjoying some food and conversation. And I will be taking out on a solo this New Year's. Heading out New Year's Eve. So keep your eyes out for that video as well. And I'll get this little short one up as soon as I get home. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you had a Merry Christmas. Hope you have a good New Year's in 2026. And we'll see you on the mountain.